everybody, it's Kim Hawk, and I'm known as YouTube's fairy godmother of real estate, and we are super excited because today is June 11th, 2023, and there is a birthing of a new wine company right here in the town of Celebration. Yes, the town that Disney built, and we have the owner right here with us. His name is Ryan Carlson.
Hi, Kim.
And Ryan's got lots of great experience in the wine business. You want to talk a little bit about that?
Sure. I've been in mostly wholesale and distribution, but also manufacture, all three tiers really, for about 20 years. We're relatively new to Celebration, about 4 years now. And I launched a new project, so it's a local business. We're sourcing the grapes and the juice out of Paso Robles. And so this first run is a 100% Grenache. It's all organic. It is direct maceration. It's a beautiful Provençal style, dry, crisp rosé with a long finish, and we just love it. So, enjoy.
It's delicious. It's delicious. You know, I love that, you're bringing a lot of wonderful culture to the town. Wine is just a beautiful thing to add to a community. And so talk a little bit more about where can they buy it?
We're standing right now in Gypsy Moon. This is the first account and the first day of selling it, and you're one of the first people to try it. So we're going to spread it around the neighborhood and maybe in the area. It might become a regional thing. It's a baby little brand, 100 case run, very limited production. That's why it's so good. It's small production, made by hand. It's a real passion. It's a fun thing, and that's why we do it, because we love to share.
Speaking of sharing, and if people had this at an event, what would you pair it with as far as some food while you're drinking this?
Gosh, I would just have it on the porch by itself, but to tell you the truth, hard cheeses, lighter fare, if you want to, maybe a pasta primavera, nothing too heavy, nothing too acidic. It's got ample acid, counterbalanced with some nice sugar and beautiful bouquet, but it's got acid in it, so it's a crisp wine that deserves flavors that are complementary to that. Seafood, oysters, absolutely all the way. And it really is just a summertime porch pounder by itself. It's just...
Yes, absolutely. And you know what? Another top secret is Ryan's wife is a member of our Realtor Dream Team, Virginia. You guys know her as Cinderella. So if you have any questions about the wine, if you have any questions about real estate for Cinderella, please give us a call. You know the number. It's 1-800-KIM-HAWK. And also we're going to be having Virginia on this interview here in a second as well, because we want to make sure you get to meet Cinderella in person as well.
Some more and give me some of that fancy wine.
So once again, it's a historic day right here in the town of Celebration, Florida, as the Celebration Wine Company is birthed. And guess who I've got? I've got our own Cinderella. This is Virginia Carlson. Yes. So we had the opportunity to talk a little bit with Ryan earlier, but I want to hear what your thoughts are. This is a big deal. This is wonderful that you're bringing it to the town and actually to this whole region.
Yeah, it's exciting. We had been thinking about doing this for several years, and as you know, my husband has been in the wine industry for 20 plus years, and we just thought it would be a great thing to do for the town, and make a label that has the name Celebration on it, and just something fun for everyone to enjoy, and we're really proud of it.
Absolutely. And as many of you that are watching on the Near Disney YouTube channel, this is the woman that we've been talking about a lot, especially on Wednesday nights as they go out and they show you all the communities that are available to you living near Disney. So now, when you move into these houses, guess what? We're going to have the perfect wine that's going to be available for you, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It'll be ready for you. And I will be having some of our Celebration Wine Company rosé on my Wine Down Wednesday show.
Wine Down Wednesday.
Perfect. Yeah.
Now, you were giving us some really good tips in regard to rosé. You want to drink it really cold. Is that right?
Yeah, I definitely prefer it to be well chilled. It definitely brings out more of the flavors, and it's just more enjoyable when it's absolutely chilled down. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And for now, you can go to this wonderful place, Gypsy Moon. Yes, the market. Yes. And you can buy it there, but we're going to be releasing more information because right now it's a very precious commodity that they have for sale. But as it continues to grow, you're going to be seeing it more and more. So make sure you want to give them your telephone number.
Yes. You can reach me at 407-487-9960. And we absolutely will keep you updated on other places that you can get our rosé. But for now, Gypsy Moon on Market Street in Celebration.
Great.
Thanks, Bill.
You heard it 31st. We're wishing them very well because this really is a special, special thing that's now available to you. Have a great day. Cheers.
That's when the dance begins. The joint is jumping to the beat.
Make sure that you subscribe and like so that we can continue to give you up-to-date information on all things that are going around the 25-mile radius of Cinderella's castle, because this is truly a magical place to live.